Now I'm going to show you how to create a new user and user group. So first of all, within our demo project, we're going to select users here, and then we select create new user, and I'm going to create a coder user here, and then enter a password and confirm that password. Then we can add user information here. There's email and user description, and then also choose whether or not that user has root access or not, so I'll leave that unchecked for now. Then there's different user types here. So we've got administrator, developer, translator, lock manager, lock QA, and builder. So this particular person here will add as a developer, and then OK. So that person will now appear down here under the users. Now I can create another new user, and then call this one designer, and then add a password, and then again the user information if required. And then the client type will make this one a developer as well. So we'll OK that. So we now have two users here. Then what we're going to do is create one more. I'm going to call this trans-es. This is going to be a translator login. And then we can add a password here. And then again we can add any other user information we require. And then here we have a slightly different system here. So the translator itself must be assigned a particular language as well. So what we're going to say is this particular user here is a Spanish translator, and then OK that. So now we have our three new users here for this particular project, and so what we can do now is we can then assign some of those users to a particular group, which obviously makes things a lot easier. So we can create this new group, and the group will be called developer. So we have our group members up here, and then what you can simply do is you can either drag each one individually, or you can hold down Shift and then just drag those over. So our coder and designer are now part of the group members here. So we now have our developer group here. Now to assign that to a particular project, you simply select the project, right click on the project, and then edit a project. So at the top here you have project members, and so what you can now do is you can then drag that over to here, so your developer, and if you wish you can then drag individual users over as well. So we now have developer and our Spanish translator as part of this project.